Today we're checking out this Raxiom Axial Series LED third brake light with a smoked lens for the 2010 to 14 F-150 Raptor. If your factory light is looking dated, you want a sharper, dark style rear light but has faster and brighter LEDs, this is a clean upgrade that's definitely worth checking out. The big win here is the improved visibility and that updated look. This is an LED setup that's gonna light up quicker than those traditional bulbs, which is gonna help drivers behind you catch your braking a little sooner. This has a smoked lens to complete that blacked out style, and it's gonna give your F-150 Raptor a more aggressive and modern rear profile that pairs really well with other dark trim on the truck. Most owners are gonna go this route to refresh an older and faded factory light, tighten up the appearance of the cab, and add a subtle styling touch that doesn't feel over the top. It's also just a really good way to complete a blacked out look if you're putting other black things like black tail lights in a full blacked out theme. Day to day, this is a small part that you're gonna notice every time you walk up to the truck, and it's very clean once it goes on. When it comes to the construction on this, you're getting sealed LED housing with a smoked lens that's built to handle rain, dust, and normal everyday driving abuse. The lens is impact resistant and designed to hold up to sun exposure, while the housing keeps out moisture so you don't end up fogging and flickering down the road. The fit is designed to match the factory third brake light location perfectly for a rattle-free and simple install. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install just here in a minute. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it is coming in right around the $75 price range. That's a good value for a complete LED third brake light with upgraded style and even better visibility. Now, when it comes to this install, it's gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this in just 15 minutes of your time. Now, let's see exactly how that install process goes with a quick video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
Tools used for this installation are a number 2 flathead screwdriver and a black electrical tape. We're going to start by removing the 2 Phillips head screws on the factory third brake light housing. Now we're going to remove the light housing from the cab. Once you get it out, you'll see there are 3 plugs. Remove these by simply untwisting, pulling them out. For the middle one, I'm going to depress the tab here on the bottom. Press this tab and remove. The next step, we're going to remove the light bulbs from the factory harness. Like that. Next, we're going to install the new third brake light. We have 2 that are labeled cargo light and 1 that is labeled the LED brake light. For the Raptor, you're going to need this conversion harness that's in there. So take that, plug this into the brake light socket like so. Next, you're going to take one of each of these cargo lights and you will plug them in here. Align the black with the black wire in the factory harnesses. Next, we'll do the other one. Black aligning with the black wire. Plug it in just like the light bulb would plug in, like so. Now for the Raptor harness, we have this adapter that goes for the third brake light. We plug the adapter in like so, black to black, red to red. Now we're going to take this and plug it in with the red in the center, black on the outside, aligning to this white one. Once you have the harness plugged in, we're going to wrap this conversion harness with electrical tape so it's not come unplugged. Like so. Now, we're going to tuck this harness back into the cab, like this. If your tabs have fallen down, you're going to make sure those stay up. Now we will screw these in, just like before, in reverse order. It's important to tighten these down to get a good seal around the cab. You don't want water getting into the cab and running down it. Now we're done, just like that.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the Raxiom Axial Series LED third brake light with a smoked lens for the 2010 to 14 F-150 Raptors. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.